Let me ask you something honest. How many side hustles have you tried in the last 12 months? Crypto, drop shipping, selling data, affiliate links, random apps. And how much have you actually made? Most people jump from one thing to the next, never making real money because they're chasing hustles instead of building a skill. Today, I'm going to show you the one skill that is quietly making Africans thousands of dollars every single month online. No degree, no startup capital, no special connections. Just your phone, your words, and the right knowledge. The skill is called copywriting. And before you say, "What is that?" let me explain simply. Copywriting is the art of writing words that make people take action. Every time you see an ad that makes you want to buy something, that's copywriting. Every time you read a caption that makes you stop scrolling, that's copywriting. Every time a sales page convinces you to click, that's copywriting. Businesses pay copywriters between $500 and $2,000 every single month just to write words for them. And the best part, you can learn this skill in 30 days or less. Here's how to start. Step 1. Understand the basics. Copywriting is about understanding people, what they want, what they fear, and what makes them take action. Start by reading free resources on Google. Search copywriting for beginners and spend 1 week just learning the fundamentals. Step 2. Practice every single day. Take any product you know and write a short sales paragraph for it. Write captions, write email subject lines, write ads. Do this every day for 30 days and you will be shocked at how fast you improve. Step 3, create a portfolio. After 30 days of practice, pick your 5 best pieces of writing. Put them in a Google Doc or a simple website. This is your portfolio, your proof that you can do the work. Step 4, get your first client. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and create a profile. Offer your copywriting services starting at $50 per project. As you get reviews and experience, raise your rates. Many African copywriters are now charging $500 to $2,000 per month for retainer clients. That means one client pays you every single month just to write for them. Step 5, scale up. Once you have 2 or 3 clients, you have a real online income. Reinvest in better tools. Learn more. Get better clients. This is how you go from broke to financially free, one skill at a time. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need 10 side hustles. You need one skill, mastered deeply, that the market is willing to pay for. Copywriting is that skill for 2026. Stop chasing, start building. And here is your bonus truth. The best copywriters in the world did not start talented. They started consistent. Every single day they wrote something. And over time, the money followed. You can do the same thing starting today. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to Money Magnet Africa right now. Because every week we bring you real strategies to build wealth online in Africa. Drop a comment below. Have you ever tried copywriting before? And if you know someone still chasing side hustles, send them this video. It might change their life. See you in the next one.